Hi, everybody. Thanks so much for joining the Hand Washing Together Project workshop 55 plus. This workshop is going to be hosted by me, Mia Jordan. All right, so moving on, this is our little workshop guide and what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to start with a quick intro, who, what, when, where, why we are doing what we're doing. Then we're going to go over a handout together, detailed steps. And then we're going to watch a introduction to the workshop video so that we all know what we're going to be doing during the workshop specifically. We will then, after that video, we will then travel to a hand washing station and practice washing our hands properly and thoroughly. And we will do that until everybody has done so. And then we will head back here to the meeting room for clothes and goodie bags and questions and all of that fun stuff. So a quick introduction, who are we? We are the Hand Washing Together Project, 55 plus. We are a group of individuals 55 and above, trying to spread awareness to the geriatric population towards the importance of hand washing. Our mission is to empower individuals through education that promote optimal hand hygiene practices. It's really very hard to create behavior change for individuals. So this is something that hopefully will spark a behavior change and we can become a more hand hygienic society. When are these workshops held? So workshops are held every third Friday of each month, except with the holidays. And if there are any holidays, we let you know way before so that you don't plan anything with us. And yeah, just expect every third Friday of each month. And where are these workshops held? Honestly, anywhere we can. Each workshop may vary location, but for the most part, as of right now, we are meeting at Southeast Christian Church, and they have been nice enough to be able to lend us a room on Thursday. On Friday, on the third Friday of each month. So luckily we haven't had any issues yet, but like I said, it varies. And last but not least, why are we doing this? We do this to, like I said, bring awareness to the geriatric population and teach about the importance of proper hand hygiene. But realistically speaking, 5% of the population in general only washes their hands correctly. So we're trying to spark that 5%, and what better way to do it than through love and support through the Hand Washing Together Project. All right, so now moving on, we are going to focus on this awesome CDC hand washing informational sheet. So we're just going to quickly go over it. So stop germs, wash your hands. When do we wash our hands? After using the bathroom, before, during, and after preparing food, before eating food, before and after caring for someone at home who is sick with vomiting or diarrhea, after changing diapers or cleaning up a child or adult who has used the toilet, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, after touching an animal, animal feed, or animal waste, after handling pet food or pet treats, after touching garbage. And in the next video, we're going to learn more about how to wash our hands, but here's a brief how. You wet your hands, you grab your soap and you lather your hands, scrub for at least 20 seconds. And it says sing the happy birthday song twice. I like to sing ABCs. You will then rinse your hands under water and use a dry, clean towel or air dry them. I love this quote, keeping hands clean is one of the most important things we can do to stop the spread of germs and stay healthy. I 100% agree with that and have studied it that hand hygiene can definitely stop or help prevent the spread of diseases. And I think that we should all benefit from trying to make the world a more hand hygienic place so that we can all be happier and healthier people. All right, here is our introduction video. In a couple minutes, we're going to move to our nearest hand washing station and practice hand washing to ensure proper hand washing practices. Continue watching this video to learn more about hand washing and how to properly wash your hands, and let's make the community a more hand hygienic place with that hand washing together project. We are going to start by finding our nearest hand washing station and turning that water on. We are going to wash our hands or rinse our hands with some of that water and grab our favorite soap. I wanted to show you I'm using the Bath & Body Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Use whatever soap you'd like. I used a pump, and you go ahead and scrub, scrub, scrub. I go ahead and sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, get the fingertips, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? And keep scrubbing. Voila! Then you rinse underwater. Get all of the bubbles, get all of this excess soap off. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Turn that water off. Get that excess water off. Grab a clean paper towel and dry those hands. You are done. You have effectively and successfully washed your hands. Now let's go practice. Bye. All right. So at the end of that video, in a couple minutes, we're going to move to our we are going to move on. So let's go ahead and head to the bathroom and let's go ahead and practice. And this will be the opportunity to go to the hand washing station and wash hands and do all the practicing, depending on each or however many group members we have. That'll determine how long the workshop, I guess, ends. And assume everybody did the workshop. We're going back to the room, and this is the last slide. So the end. I want to personally thank everybody for your participation. If you have any questions, concerns, please take this opportunity now and let me know. And this will be the opportunity for questions and concerns. During this opportunity, I will be handing out this 5-question survey so that these participants can let us know how we did. Right before they leave, they'll just take that 5-question survey and they will hand it to me as they walk out the door for feedback. I will also say, please share, share, share. We want to see everybody. We want to see your friends and family. I know we specifically say 55 plus, but hand hygiene can affect everybody. So realistically speaking, we will take everybody, and we would love to share our knowledge and help make the world a more hand hygienic place with your help and your sharing so that we can see all of your friends and family. Also, if you have any recommendations, compliments, concerns, please feel free to stay and let us know that you don't want to specifically say out loud. We are always up for constructive criticism and even compliments because we are constantly trying to make the program better. So please let us know. And we love compliments. And once again, finally, thank you so much. And I hope you all have a wonderful night. And that's my workshop. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night.